The famous dessert that is driving the world crazy. Without oven, with only one egg, but we gotta focus. Okay, so it looks like he cuts them like this. Ouch. 20 grams of butter. I don't have butter, but I've got coconut oil. All right, we're gonna melt this down. All right, 1 tablespoon of sugar. I don't have sugar. I've got coconut sugar. Hopefully this will do. Oh gosh, I think my pan is too big. Oh, it's starting to melt down a little bit. Face down. Oh shoot. Oh. Let it cool down. How cool do you let it cool down? All right, egg time. We're gonna use that 1 egg, you know? So easy, right? Watch, 1 hand crack, ready? Ugh. 50 grams of sugar. I don't have any sugar, coconut sugar. It says we can replace coconut sugar with sugar 1-to-1 ratio, so we should be fine. That's a lot. Look at that nutritious golden coconut sugar. I don't know. 1 sachet of vanillin. I ain't heard of vanillin, but I heard of vanilla extract. Oh, you just, all day. Is that enough? A little bit more. You can never have too much vanilla, right? 50 milliliters of seed oil. I don't have seed oil. I've got olive oil. 50 milliliters. How am I supposed to measure that, boss? Milligrams, milliliters? Probably not. I think that's only with water weight, not with olive oil weight. Oh well. Oh, it smells olivey. 100 milliliters of milk. Got almond milk. Oh, boom, 100. Tell you, it doesn't really look like his. Flour. I've got almond flour. Looks good, looks good. Is it too thick though? I don't know. Oh, frick, wait, I messed up. Okay, so he puts it through a strainer. I just forgot to put it through a strainer, so we'll just pretend like we put it through a strainer. 20 grams bitter cocoa. Finally, we actually have something. Oh, frick, spilled. Oh, it sizzled. 8 grams of baking powder. All I have is baking soda, so. I've gotta say, it is not looking too bad. Mix her up. Oop, oop. His does look a little lighter than mine, but mine is paleo, so remember that. Could we literally just add this on top of the bananas? Hopefully I did this right. That's what we're dealing with here. The dessert that's taken the world by storm. Only 1 egg, just 1. Yep. Now we're gonna cover it. 10 to 15 minutes. Oh. Hey, how are you?
I didn't know we had an apron.
Yeah, I bought it. It's been at least 15 minutes. Oh, it's alright. Okay, so we gotta flip it over and put it back in the pan. Alright, got an idea. So we're gonna flip it onto a plate, reflip it back into the thing. Oh! Oh! Frick, you know you messed up. Oh gosh, put that back in there. Okay, now it's gotta go back. See? Man, that's a lot of stick. Oh. Oh, what is that? Why? Oh. We're gonna cover this. Mission almost accomplished. Definitely looks chocolatey, I will say that. I'm gonna let that cool in the pan over there on the hot pad for about, 20 minutes or so. I'm gonna take a shower and then we're gonna test out this amazing dessert. Only 1 egg. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes. It looks pretty solid. I'm just gonna do the flip. Oh. The final product, huh? Let's grab a nice moist little piece. Cakey. That's not bad. Let's try a caramelized banana piece right here. And for the way this thing turned out looking, no, that's not bad. I am pleasantly surprised. All right, final turnout. Looks 2 out of 10. Texture, 7 out of 10. And taste, 7.5 out of 10. I'm actually really hungry, so I gotta be careful because I could eat this whole thing. It's probably like a lot of calories. So that's the final turnout right there. We tried. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, trying to make any more trending, viral food recipes.
A little crusty.
I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn those notifications on. Hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.